Hello guys, and welcome back for another GRT price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the price action to expect here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term, and also discuss the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above and the key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, you can see that from the lows we made back in 2022, we saw these bounce to the upside, which turned out to be an ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a high above the 0.4947. And on that bounce, you can see that the market was up more than 851.4% to the upside. And after making that significant high, we started another drop to the downside into the lows we made on the 5th of August 2024, where you can see that the market at some point was down more than 77.42%. And then from the lows we made on the 5th of August, we started another bounce into the highs we made on December 2024 above the 0.35 USDT mark. And after making that significant high, we lost that bullish momentum to continue pushing higher. And you can see that from that point, we have been seeing further downside here on the GRT chart, where the market is now down more than 80.92% to the lows we made on the 7th of April. And today, I want to discuss the reasons why we need to be very cautious, because at some point there's a very high chance that if we lose significant key areas of support here on the GRT chart, we are most likely to get a reset of the significant lows we made on back in 2022, which is our bear market low below the 0.05 USDT mark. So jumping to the daily chart to now discuss the key areas of supports that we need to continue holding on the short term for us to expect a reversal to the upper side in the next coming days without getting a reset of the bear market lows. That area lies between the 0.095 and the 0.074, the 0.0754, which is this blue target area on the chart. And that is based on a negative structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 22nd of June, where you can see that we first picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave, so a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of a second wave. And in this second wave, I have been expecting it to hold within Fibonacci key areas of supports, which were given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1. And you can see that my target area is between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88 as a maximum target area. And that is an area that we are just about to fully maximize. And the big question is the graph going to continue holding within this area? Because as long as we continue holding within the area, there's a very high chance of the market giving us a reversal, give us a break above significant key areas of resistances and significant highs, like the high we made above the 0.1036. And the moment we manage to break above that, then we can continue pushing higher and also continue expecting higher prices here on the GRT chart. But the moment we lose this blue target area to the downside, we can first expect to get a reset of the lows we made on the 22nd of June, then get a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April. And the moment we start getting a reset of these significant lows, that is the moment we need to be very cautious, because that means that a more bearish case scenario is unfolding here on the GRT chart that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows that we made back in 2022 below the 0.05 USDT mark in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I expect here on the GRT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and that will ensure you stay up to date.